Hi children, good morning, a charming and pleasant welcome to Shiva online class. Today we are going to see Unit 2. In Unit 2 we are going to see the grammar part. Okay, so in grammar part today I am going to explain you about the sentence. Okay, so there are 4 types of sentence. First one it is assertive sentence we say, statement also we can say. Second it is about the interrogative sentence, and third it is imperative sentence, and fourth it is the exclamatory sentence. Okay children, how many types of sentence are there? 4 kinds of sentence. First it is assertive or statement we say. Second it is that interrogative. Third imperative sentence, and fourth exclamatory sentence. So I will just give the brief explanation about it. That means how to find out the sentence everything. First let us see about the assertive sentence that I said you. We say it is as a statement also. That means when a sentence is a statement, it gives a fact of an opinion and we end it with a full stop. So for example, I will just write the sentence on the blackboard. For example, ducks swim in water. Swim in water. Okay. So let us see this one. In the statement, and otherwise we say it is an assertive sentence. In that one, the first letter should be the capital letter, and the last ending of this sentence I kept one full stop. That means the first letter should be always start with the capital letter, and the end of the sentence if you keep an full stop means the sentence is over. So this type of the sentence is known as the statement. Otherwise we say it is an assertive sentence. So let us see the next one. When a sentence asks question. So you may be asking a lot of questions in your home, to your mother, to your father, if you have brother, sister, if you come to school, you use a question, lot of question to your teacher also. So the same way, when a sentence asks a question and we end it with a question mark. For example, you would have writing the English question and answer so many. So after the end of that question, what you used to do? You used to put one question mark. Yes or not? So this type of the sentence is known as the interrogative sentence. What it is known as? It is known as the interrogative sentence. So how to find out the interrogative sentence means when the sentence is over, there will be one question mark. If there is a question mark, that means immediately you will come to know this is an interrogative sentence. So let us see the sentence. What do you want? Okay, so what do you want? See this one. First letter I have kept the capital letter. So the end of the sentence I have given the question mark. Another one also you can ask. Where do you live? So many questions. Whatever we ask, where do you live? So the last end of this, if there is a question mark, this is known as the interrogative sentence. So we saw the assertive sentence, a statement we used to say. And second one types it is that interrogative sentence. So if you find the question mark means immediately you can find out that it is an interrogative sentence. So let us move to the third sentence, that is known as the imperative sentence. When a sentence make a request or gives an instruction or a command, we end it with a full stop. So how to find out this one? For example, I told you interrogative sentence means it may be a request. Please give me a pen. Okay, so you can ask this one also. Please give me a pen. So here the last full stop only. The last it is the full stop only, but we use it here please. So that it comes in the as a request. It is clear children? So in the same sentence, shut the door. Shut the door. So this one is also the imperative sentence only, but shut. But this is the order. There is a difference between the request and the order. but the both it comes in the this one imperative sentence only. In imperative sentence, request is also there, order it is also there. So opinion also we ask. So this type of the sentence it comes in the imperative sentence. So last sentence let us see. So the last sentence exclamatory. When a sentence express surprise, wonder or some strange emotion, a strong emotion we say. So this everything it comes in the exclamatory mark. I will show you. For example, wow, what a pretty dress. So this one, and this is known as the exclamatory. Okay, so if there is the end of the sentence, maybe whatever the sudden this express, they express the feelings, everything it is there. If you see this type of mark means this is the exclamatory. Easily you can identify it. Okay, so this exclamatory sentence everything comes in a sudden feeling, emotion. Wow, what a beautiful dress, what a pretty dress we can say. So this everything suddenly we say sometimes, wow, what happened? Like that also we ask. So this sudden expression everything it comes in the exclamatory sentence. So today what we saw about the sentence. First one it is that assertive sentence, that means statement also we can say. It ends in the capital letter, starts in the capital letter and ends in the full stop. Second one we saw about the interrogative sentence, that means asking the question. So the last it will come as a question mark. So that is known as the interrogative sentence. Third sentence we saw about the imperative sentence. It comes in the request also as an order also. So if it is the request and order in the sentence, immediately you can say that this is the imperative sentence. And the last one it is about the exclamatory, sudden feeling everything. And if it is like this type of the symbol means it is the exclamatory sentence. Okay children. So I hope you would have understand this one. Some example question I will write it on the blackboard. You find out the answer and tell me. See this sentence. Wow, a beautiful flower. So where you have to note this wow, this you have to note, and here the last one. See this one. So by seeing this one you would have find the answer, I hope. So which type of sentence it is? Yeah, exclamatory sentence. Yes or not? Because here they have expressed this. Wow, miss I told you, sudden feeling everything. Okay, so this one it is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, so this one you see. Can you play football? Can you play football? So you have to note this one also. This is the question mark. If there is a question mark means what I told you. If they are asking some question means it is an interrogative sentence. Asking questions everything, interrogative sentence. So this is the which type of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. Is it clear children? The third one also note this one. Where did you go yesterday? That one also you are asking the question where the went yesterday. So this the question mark it is there. So this one it is also the interrogative sentence. Okay children. So I told you how to find out the sentence. You have to just read the sentence properly and you have to note the symbol wherever what it is and then you have to find out it. Okay children. See this sentence. Let us go for a walk. First letter, whatever the sentence you are writing, the first letter will be the capital letter only. Last you see, just I kept one full stop only. So which type of sentence it is? Yeah, first letter capital letter, last full stop. Yeah, correct. It is an assertive sentence we say. Yeah, otherwise we can say it is an statement also. Okay, now let us see the fifth one. Muthu like to play hide and seek. Okay, so the last I kept as an full stop. That means the sentence is over. So which type of sentence it is? Yeah, the same. Assertive sentence, yeah, statement we can say. Yeah, we can say this one as a statement also. Clear children? So what we saw today? The types of sentence we saw. Four types it is of assertive sentence statement, that means one. Second one interrogative, third imperative, and the last one it is the exclamatory sentence. I have explained and I have given the some sentence also to find out it. So I hope you would have understand these types of sentence clearly. Thank you students.